everyone. Your tip of the day today is do more video. Some of you said, oh, I'm not doing video. Well, then your tip is start doing video. You've got to, guys and gals. Video is the thing of the future. Do not be afraid. Just go out there and be real. Be yourself. Be genuine. You've heard me talk about doing videos and sending them via text message to your prospects and to your clients and your sphere of influence. Go out into your neighborhood. Pick an area, pick a county, depending on your city, your geography, your neighborhood size. You know, if you got 500 homes in your neighborhood, walk around the neighborhood and talk about all the features you love about it. The swimming pool at the clubhouse, the tennis courts, the golf course, you know, what have you. If you're in a small neighborhood, talk about an area surrounding that neighborhood. Just go out there and be present. Interview local business owners. Walk into the gym and say, hey, you know, what are your gym membership rates like? Talk to my audience, you know, just start putting a lot of content out there. It's going to be poor at first. That's okay. At least it's real. Poor video is better than no video because you're not being seen online if you're not putting yourself online. So this is kind of obvious stuff, but you know, pick something you like. I'm doing a segment right now on new construction. I'm going to teach everybody out there how to build a house, one 30-second video at a time. I'm super excited about it. So, you know, take an idea and run with it. If you're the HOA president of your neighborhood, start doing things about your neighborhood. Just get out there and make some video, make it a great day. These are things, these are seeds that we've got to be building. You know, my last tip of the day talked about, you know, reaching out to your past clients and your future clients. This is future. The market's a little slower. You have time to do this. Just start. When you're driving down the road today and you see that favorite restaurant, stop in and interview the manager. There's all kinds of things that you can be doing. The pet groomer, the salon, the stylist in your salon. There's so many things. I hope that's helpful. Just get out there, start doing video, put it on YouTube. Don't worry about anything else right now. Put it on YouTube. Make it evergreen, meaning it's going to live forever. You know, YouTube's the second largest search engine in the world. You need to be there. Have a great week. We'll talk to you all soon. And please reach out to me directly if you have any questions at all. We'd love to help you.